Alright, YouTube, we're on the driver's seat belt. First thing you want to do is pry off the black panel first, then pull this out, and then pry this out. It comes out, alright? It comes out, trust me, it comes out. You see, I got it out. It comes out. And then pry out the other piece. Should come right out. It's gonna open up 14 millimeter right there. Another 14 millimeter down here, and that looks like a 10 millimeter right there. And then make sure you disconnect your battery, positive and negative. Disconnect your sensors. It should come right out. Put your new one in.